Rolls Royces, and a Bentley. While FHP and other agencies were investigating these 3 stolen cars, our cameras capturing a total of 5 cars, including 2 Rolls-Royce SUVs, a Mercedes SUV, a Bentley SUV, and a Tesla. We're reaching out to investigators for confirmation.
Yo, my neighbors got caught stealing cars. They have a Rolls Royce right here, a Mercedes. They have a Bentley over there. They have another car in the back. There's 4 cops in here. Even the news is here, Telemundo News. This shit is crazy. Look at this shit. Look how many cars they had. There's the news right there.